How to log in ING Direct Online Banking account. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar, type in myaccount.ing.com. As you do so, you will land onto a page like this. Under here, select your country. As you do so, you have to enter your username at this box. Once you're done, enter your password at the box below and click on to log in. In case you're having difficulty signing in, you can click on Password Forgotten and get help resetting your account. And if your credentials are correct, you will successfully land onto your ING account. And that is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.